Hey, what's cracking, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison on the LinuxHub installer and the Calamares installer. Now, this comparison is not to show which one is better or anything like that. It's just the install time. I just want to compare the install times to see how long it takes for the LinuxHub and the Calamares installer. Now, keep in mind that on this little test that I'm doing here, the LinuxHub installer is doing an online installation, and the Calamares installer is doing the offline installation. But we'll just take a look at this video and see how the installation times work out, and just to see how they install and what's going to happen. So you can see I've already added all the user info to both of the systems, and the Calamares installer is already off to the races. And now the LinuxHub installer is going through its races too. So they're now doing the installation. And like I said, the LinuxHub installer is an online installer. So it has to download all of the programs and then install all the programs. The Calamares installer on this particular system is, I'm using the offline installer. So it's doing everything from the local ISO itself. It doesn't need to connect online to do anything. It's doing it all offline. All right, so we're just gonna go and compare these installation times and see how it goes. All right, so I'll put some music on right now so you don't have to listen to my voice while it's doing all of this. These are unedited, uncut videos, so they're just going along, doing their thing. I just edited them. I just did the edit to them just to fit them on the screen like this. But as far as the speed and everything is going to, there's all playing at normal speed. The speeds are not edited, nothing's edited on here. It's all just going straight through the installation. All right, let's get some music on here for you guys.
In love's golden ocean, no emotion. Ooh, fake a smile for charity. Quiet drama for the drama. Oh no, we love a golden rarity. Beautiful objects. Ooh, hanging upon the walls and ceiling. What more can I do? I want to put my hands deep into feeling. Hands only get so far. Depth of me is just a possibility. And all my misguided desire freezes me deep with pent-up hostility. Beautiful object, ooh, as if a pretty face is so revealing. Hey, what can I do? Hang upon the walls and ceiling. Beautiful object, ooh, as if a pretty face is so revealing. Hey, what can I do? Hang upon the walls and ceiling. What's the meaning of the mask? You can't be asked. Oh no, is life a social fiction? Not to see but be seen. Oh, now that's a ghost ambition. Beautiful objects, ooh, as if a pretty face is his soul to portray a perfection, a beautiful object, true. It's just a parody of a person. Beautiful object, too. As if I didn't face it so revealing. Hey, what can I do? I hang upon the walls and ceiling. Beautiful object, too. As if I didn't face it so revealing. Hey, what can I do? Pulsing of the drum, drag of the feet, gun looking at gun, falling from the heat. Not lately. Not lately. I haven't seen you for some time. I haven't seen you for some time. Brought back from the dead, down on the floor. See it in your eyes. Beat City once more. Not lately. Not lately. I haven't seen you for.
Alright, it looks like the Calamares is about to finish its installation right now. But as you can see on LinuxHub, the installation had finished. I rebooted the system and I even updated the repositories. And I added a new feature on there that you probably couldn't see because the window was shrunken, but I added a updater that works with a Paru. So it'll update, AUR programs also. All right, so that's the end of the video. Catch you on the next one.